Hello everyone, Cassandra Prieto here for all you business owners. Have you grown so much and you're in need of an additional office for your commercial space? If so, Ideal Tinies has the solution and price just for you. Come on, let's take a look. These tiny office modules are officially up for sale. They feature fully wired electrical systems, including normal outlets, a TV outlet, and a box for cable TV. They are fully insulated and built with 2x4s. Each unit includes a mini split and its own 125 amp electrical panel. They are built to the same standard as a single-family residential home and start as low as $25,000 per unit. So if you've been looking for that additional office space, these modules are the solution for you. Go ahead and visit us at the locations below, or you can always call me for the grand tour. I look forward to speaking with you guys. Have a wonderful day.